Our 5-star reviews are our pride and joy because they let us know that we're doing a great job. And today, we appreciate the chance to share one of our favorites with you. Have a look. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one, and it motivates our team to serve you better. We work very hard to achieve great reviews like this. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best. Give us the chance to earn a 5-star review from you too. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. Contact us soon. We look forward to working with you.